Welcome to Englo Spark. Spark your English.
Hello, and welcome to Englo Spark. In this lesson, we are going to learn English through listening, repeating, and understanding a simple story. This method is called shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to a sentence, then repeat the sentence out loud. This helps you improve pronunciation, speaking confidence, and listening skills. Here is how this lesson will work. First, you will listen to a sentence. Then, you will hear a short pause. During the pause, you should repeat the sentence. Try to speak slowly and clearly. Do not worry about mistakes. Just practice. Now, let us begin. So, today's story is my first day at a new place. So, listen carefully and repeat after every pause. My name is Alex. I am 23 years old. I recently moved to a new city. The city is big and busy. I moved here for a new job. On my first day, I woke up very early. I felt nervous, but excited. I prepared my clothes the night before. I checked my bag many times. I wanted to be ready. When I arrived at the office, I saw many new people. I did not know anyone. My manager welcomed me warmly. She showed me my desk. She explained my work responsibilities. At lunchtime, I sat alone at first. Then, one coworker came and talked to me. He asked about my hometown. We had a nice conversation. I started to feel comfortable. At the end of the day, I felt proud. I learned many new things. I realized that new beginnings can be scary, but they can also be wonderful. Now, let us practice vocabulary from the story. Listen and repeat. Nervous. Nervous means feeling worried or slightly afraid. Excited. Excited means feeling happy and interested about something new. Comfortable. Comfortable means feeling relaxed and safe. Responsibility. Responsibility means a task or duty that you must complete. Now, let us practice speaking full sentences. Repeat after each sentence. I felt nervous on my first day. I met new people at work. I learned new responsibilities. I felt comfortable after talking to my coworker. New beginnings can be wonderful. Great job! You are improving your English step by step. Remember, learning a language takes time and practice. Try to listen to this lesson again and repeat the sentences. Repetition helps your brain remember new words and pronunciation. Thank you for learning with EngloSpark. If you enjoy these lessons, please like, subscribe, and share this video and support this channel. Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.